Good day and welcome to the Dining Table. Possible TikTok ban in the U.S. FBI Director Wray testifies at Senate Intelligence hearing. Subscribe, like, and share. Just to give you an update, I put out a video before. The Select Committee on the Chinese Communist Party, Republicans and Democrats that are coming together to tackle issues regarding the Chinese government. They put out a post that President Biden said he would sign a bill banning TikTok. Basically, the U.S. government wants TikTok to separate themselves from ByteDance, which is controlled by the Chinese government. That is the rules of their government. And apparently they said they will not be separating themselves from them. Here is a couple quick facts that the committee put together. Under the Chinese law, the Chinese government can require a company based in China like ByteDance to surrender all its data to the Chinese government. So all the data that it is getting from TikTok, from American users, they can use it. The United States is concerned that this information with the algorithm can manipulate votes, can manipulate young people, could influence violence. When people are watching these videos, they'll just show more and more of what people are watching or manipulate what people are watching. So here are some of the facts. Here is Senator Rubio at the Senate Intelligence Committee hearing. He's going to tell us a little bit more about TikTok and ask some questions to FBI Director. Let's listen.
TikTok is this TikTok US American company, or headquartered putatively in America. And they have this platform, which is fascinating, right? And people, it's very effective, very good, has a lot of members. One of the things that powers it is that it is powered by an algorithm based on artificial intelligence, where the more you use it, the more it learns about you. It, in essence, reads your mind. It knows the kinds of videos you like, and it feeds you more and more of them, causing you to go back. That algorithm is not owned by TikTok. It's owned by ByteDance, a Chinese company, correct?
That's my understanding.
And so the only way that algorithm works is if that Chinese company has access to the data being generated by TikTok. The owner of the algorithm, ByteDance, has to have access. So it doesn't matter where the data is stored. Ultimately, they have to have access to it in order to make the algorithm work, correct?
Right. I mean, I think what you're getting to is the key point is that the parent company is, for all intents and purposes, beholden to the CCP.
Well, the reason why I raise that is if ByteDance in China is the one that owns the driver that makes TikTok effective, isn't it true that under Chinese law, the Chinese Communist Party says that data that you're gaining access to in order to make your algorithm work, we want a copy of that data? If they said that to ByteDance in the future, ByteDance would have to give it to them.
That's my understanding.
And if they went to them and said, we want you to change your algorithm so that Americans start seeing videos that hurt this candidate or help that candidate in the upcoming election, ByteDance would have to do that under Chinese law.
That's my understanding.
And if they said, we want you to put out videos that make Americans fight with each other or spread conspiracy theories and get them at each other's throat, ByteDance can't go to Chinese court and fight the Communist Party. They would have to do it.
That's my understanding. And I would just add that that kind of influence operation, or the different kinds of influence operations you're describing, are extraordinarily difficult to detect, which is part of what makes the national security concerns represented by TikTok so significant.